Hi, I'm Cam, National Training Manager at Kaboodle Kitchen. Thanks for tuning into my masterclass. If you are still using a freestanding bin, it's definitely time to upgrade. Kaboodle has an extensive range of bins and hampers available. There is sure to be a solution in our range to suit your needs that will fit perfectly into an available cabinet in your kitchen. We have a 450mm cupboard that I'm using for the installation. So I have selected our 2x35 litre base mount bin, which is available off the shelf at Bunnings. We've been to Bunnings and purchased the bin. This particular product has dual bins, which allows you to use one section for general waste and the other for recycling. Kaboodle have a variety of bins that range from a single bin unit all the way up to 4 bins in one unit. Fitting an integrated bin not only means that you are concealing the bin visually, but you are also concealing odour. They all come with a lid, so your cupboard won't smell either. This style of bin is also practical, as you can move food waste from your bench top directly into the bin, while also freeing up precious floor space. This particular unit has a huge combined capacity of 70 litres and features soft close runners, giving it a premium feel. Each bin can be easily removed by lifting it straight out of the basket, making it easier to use the bin in other locations. So let's start installing. When you purchase any of our products, they come with detailed instructions, and that's what we'll be following today. You can also download a digital copy of the instructions from our website. Before we get started, there are a few tools we'll need. A cordless drill with a number 2 Phillips head, a 2mm drill bit, a pencil, and a screwdriver. Firstly, we'll separate the runners from the basket assembly. Next, we complete the basket assembly by attaching the handle and brackets. Using the template, we mark the holes in the base of the cabinet, matching up the dotted line with the front edge of the cabinet and ensuring we are pushing the template against the side wall of the cabinet away from the hinges. After the holes are marked, we drill them with a 2mm bit. Attach the runner brackets with the screws provided. Next, we insert the basket assembly onto the runners. And the last step is placing the bins in the basket and we're done. So there you have it. In a couple of hours, we have purchased a new bin and installed it. Thanks for tuning into my mini masterclass. I hope I have inspired you to upgrade the bins in your kitchen. Although it may not seem like a high priority, it will really change the way you use your kitchen and is a great use of space.